Hello chosen ones! In this video I'm going to show you how to cut down trees in Witchspire. As simple as it may sound, you do need a certain tool so you can cut down trees in the game. At the start you will just pick up scraps of wood on the ground to get your journey started, but you will need a more reliable way of getting it. For this you are going to need the logging sickle, which needs wood, stone and spirit dust. Once you have all the materials, just place it into your hotbar and hack away on the trees. You can cut these trees down by simply just holding down left click, but if you're feeling lazy, just press right click, and this will send out a much stronger attack and instantly cut down the trees in its path, but this will cost mana, so just use it sparingly on trees that are lined up. If you want a better sickle, there is another recipe you can unlock in the skill tree called the Spirit Logging Sickle. It will have the requirement of the logging skill at level 5 and half of level 2, so it's going to take a moment to get it. And that's about it on how to cut down trees in Witchspire.